Hi Rebels, let's talk about bunions. Not a fun thing to be dealing with, and there is a lot that you can do with your own body to help those bunions heal. I will tell you that I have seen quite a few people with bunion surgeries, and most of them have caused more harm than help. No question, there is a need for surgery sometimes. Um, I see a lot of things in my practice with foot surgeries and how that's affecting the rest of the body. So just food for thought, and just if you're in the beginning, especially of bunions, give this a try and see if it helps you out. So two types of bunions. A lot of people have the bunion onto the big toe, and what happens is that big toe starts moving in closer towards the other toes. It's kind of like leaning over, and then it starts pushing this bone out here, and then when you're wearing shoes, it starts becoming sensitive, it starts getting inflamed, it's rubbing, and it just does not feel good. It's painful when you walk. So what do we want to do? So if your big toe is going this way, first and foremost, you want to take that toe and you want to straighten it out. So you want to take it away from the little toes. You're going to slide your fingers kind of like down between the first and the second toe, and almost like pull it away and down and put a little bit of pressure. Now that might not feel so cool. And then you're going to take that big toe and you're going to give it, you can pull it out and then to the outside. So you're going to go this way and that way, but you're going to stabilize it here, because what you don't want to do is while it's here to be pulling it this way, right? So you stabilize it, you straighten it, you pull it out and away. And you might be like, oh, that does not feel good. Well, obviously don't break your toe, don't break your bones, but just start stretching it. And you're going to do this, and for some of you it might be hard to sit where I'm sitting. Ask somebody to help you with that, yes? Or you can go to PT that can help you with that, physical therapy. And again, give it a pull and open it out, okay? That is a great exercise that you do. The next thing that you can do is you can once again straighten that toe, and then you are going to curl it towards you, but make sure it's straight. It's not leaning over towards the little toes. And you might be like, holy cow. That's okay. Again, no pain to where like you're breaking your toe, but just enough to feel the stretch. And then you come back down, and then you can go the other way. Yes? Okay? So if you happen to have the bunion onto the outside, Taylor's bunion, it's the exact same thing. Your pinky is moving this way, it's pressing towards your toes. So you are going to, same thing, you between the pinky and the next toe, you're going to gently pull away and down, put a little bit of pressure, and then you can use your hand and you can give that pinky stretch out. And you actually sometimes, depending on how bad the bunion is, you might not even use your hands. You might just be able to move the toe. If your bunion is really bad, you will likely have some manual assistance, yes? And same thing, you're going to stabilize, gently give it a pull to this way, away from you, and then out. And then you're going to curl it, and then take it down, and then curl it, and take it down, and take it away, okay? So that's some stuff that you can do manually. The other thing is you're going to stand up, and I would recommend doing this one at a time, is you're going to place the ball of the foot evenly on the floor, and you're going to spread your toes and curl up. Now, if you have a bunion, let's say on the big toe, what might be happening is you might see this, you might even see a rotation, because you will probably be avoiding the area, yes? Which is actually how bunions start causing problems throughout the rest of the body. So spread the toes. This is why I love toe separators. You might need to put like maybe roll some paper towel between your big toe so that you can separate it from the rest. And you're really going to put, I do this with clients, I'm on the floor putting pressure right here so that they can get the stretch. And then you're going to come back down. And of course do that on the other side as well. But if you have arthritis in your feet, this is going to feel kind of like masochistically heavenly. And come down, and again, this actually feels good. This is great for everybody, yeah, because that is how we walk. We want to have flexibility into the feet when we walk. But if you have bunions, there is a lot that you can do to ease those, yes? Hope that was helpful. Let me know what you found in your body.